Demon, as all of our other builds, we like to use the best parts. We use Kooks on all of our builds. They've been building headers since the 60s. They know what they're doing when it comes to that stuff. They make a really good product. Fit and finish is usually perfect. So they were nice enough to send us their long tube headers along with green cats and their full exhaust system for the Demon. So this thing's gonna sound insane when it's done. But to do that, we gotta get the old exhaust and headers out. So we're gonna do that right now, and then we'll get these in.
Why do you go with Kooks over everyone else?
Kooks?
Yep.
Look, with the fitment and the finish, it's just, I mean, come on now. Real, like, hard work R&D. When these products come, they just go right where they're supposed to go. OEM replacement, nothing more.
Kooks with their exhaust has stage 8 fasteners, and they're pretty cool. So the bolts actually have a groove in them here, and you put a locking retainer on it, like so. So pretty cool technology from Kooks. Best exhaust in the game.
First start, Kooks exhaust, full long tube headers, full exhaust on the Dodge Demon. Let's hear how it sounds.
Sounds deep.
Sounds good.
Sounds mean.
Right there. It's got just enough chop.
Yeah. Not like Weston's. Weston's was super loud. I mean, bah, 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 bah. This is like not gonna fully piss the neighbors off, and it sounds really good. Perfect. Thank you, Kooks, for sending us such a great system. Whoever wins this car is gonna love it. It sounds amazing. Yep.